Okay, assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Once again to this academy after a long time. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was really troublesome for all of us to maintain our classes because of all those problems we had. But after a long time, once again, we are here in our academy. So, I welcome you all. Thank you very much that you haven't missed your class. You have attended your class and now you are here to shoot your video. So, I am going to ask you some common expressions and you have to answer me, okay? So, I am starting with you first of all. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please tell me, তুমি কোথায় থাকো?
Where do you live?
তুমি কেন কাঁদছো?
Why are you crying?
কারণ আমার মন খারাপ।
Because I am upset.
এটা কার ব্যাগ?
Whose bag is this?
Thank you very much. Pass the microphone to her. Okay, Kanis Fatima, how are you?
Absolutely.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready for your common expression test?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. এরপর কি?
What's next?
কে যাবে?
Who will go?
কি খবর?
What's up?
ওটা কি?
What's that?
সে কে?
Who's that?
Who is that? Yeah, who is he? That will do. No problem. Thank you. Give her a big round of applause. Thank you. Pass the microphone to her. Okay, are you ready for your common expression test?
Yes, sir.
আমাকে কাজটি করতে দাও।
Let me do the work.
আমাকে বইটি পড়তে দিন।
Let me read the book.
চলো একসাথে কাজটি করা যাক।
Let me do the work together.
চলো একটু মজা করি।
Let's have some fun.
Thank you. Give her a big round of applause. Okay, Mohit, it's your time now. So are you ready for your common expression test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. আমি কিছু মনে করিনি।
I didn't mind.
Very good. কে জানে?
Who knows?
তুমি যা চাও,
Whatever you,
তুমি যা করো।
whatever you do.
Thank you. Give him a big round of applause. Okay. Mahid,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so কোনো সমস্যা?
What's wrong?
কে এলো?
Who came?
এটা কে হারিয়েছে?
Who lost it?
কে পাঠিয়েছে?
Who sent it?
এটা কোথায়?
এটা কোথায়? Where is it?
Thank you. Give him a big round of applause. Okay, pass the microphone to him. Okay, start.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so আমি পরোয়া করি না।
I don't care.
আমারও তাই মনে হচ্ছে।
I suppose so.
তুমি যা চাও।
Whatever you want.
Okay, give him a big round of applause. Okay, Shomik, কে এলো?
Who came?
এটা কে হারিয়েছে?
Who lost it?
কে পাঠিয়েছে?
Who sent it?
আমি কোথায়?
Where am I?
Very good. Give him a big round of applause. Pass the microphone to him. কোনো সমস্যা?
What's wrong?
কে খেয়েছে?
Who ate?
তাতে কি?
So what?
কার কি আসে যায়?
Who cares?
Who cares? Okay, give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Okay, now it's your turn. Abdul Rahman. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
নতুন কি?
What's new?
কিসের জন্য?
What's for?
কি খবর?
What's up?
এটা কি?
What is it?
Thank you. Give him a big round of applause. Okay, Tanvir, it's your turn now. কিসের জন্য?
What's for?
তুমি কি যাবে না?
Won't you go?
কি খবর?
What's up?
এটা কি?
What is this?
Thank you. Give him a big round of applause. Okay, Araf, it's your turn now. Are you ready? চলো নতুন কিছু বানাই।
Let's make a new thing.
Let's make a new thing. চলো একটু মজা করি।
Let's have some fun.
Very good. আমাকে কিছু খেতে দাও।
Let me have some food.
আমাকে কাজটা করতে দাও।
Let me do the work.
চলো একসাথে কাজটা করি।
Let's do the work together.
Okay, give him a big round of applause. Okay, my dear, that concludes. Thank you, my dear students, for your performance. I hope that you must try your level best to make it a successful event on your part in your next class. Did you get my point? So thank you very much for your participation. Okay, bye bye all. Bye bye.